Are you suffering stress and anxiety regarding your upcoming CFA program exams? Are you feeling overwhelmed by the amount of information you need to learn? Time is not your friend, and perhaps you don't know how you'll cover the vast curriculum. Well, it doesn't have to be like this anymore. Since 2010, IFT has helped thousands of candidates pass the CFA program exams, and now you can be one of them. At IFT, we provide the most effective study strategy so you can build a strong foundation of knowledge, really understand the financial concepts, and then successfully apply them. Thanks to our unique video lectures, focused prep materials, and proven methodology, IFT has a good record of success. Here is what IFT will equip you with. Over 100 hours of engaging video lessons at each level. These cover all learning outcomes, and also examples, tips, and shortcuts. Comprehensive study notes. Lots of practice with question banks, quizzes, and mock exams. Getting questions answered by IFT instructors when you are stuck. And in the last few weeks before your exam, IFT's high-yield crash course will really help you revise and master the curriculum's key concepts, which are most likely to appear on your exam. All IFT materials are designed to be close to the CFA program curriculum. This is really important because, after all, your exam is based on the curriculum. IFT offers you a realistic working knowledge of the curriculum in the shortest time possible, breaking down complex topics and making them easy for you to understand. Even if you don't have a finance background, you will be surprised about how quickly you will comprehend the concepts and develop your skills. And all IFT services are online, so you can study at any time and from anywhere. IFT has been a member of CFA Institute's approved prep provider program since 2013. You can be assured that here at IFT, we adhere to a higher standard. IFT videos are one of the most popular CFA program exam prep videos online, with over 6 million views and over 36,000 YouTube subscribers. IFT's free videos have helped countless candidates prepare successfully for their exams. IFT gains the appreciation of students from all over the planet. So what are you waiting for? Whether it's level 1, 2, or 3, join the worldwide community of satisfied and successful students. Visit IFT.world and sign up now. Ace the CFA program exams with IFT.